7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
In this video I'll show you how to watch Kodi on Roku. For this you'll also need an Android smartphone, tablet or just a Windows laptop with 8.1 or 10 version. Now, on your Roku make sure you have the last version, so navigate to Settings, System Update, check Now. If it finds any updates, update it. If it's up to date, just click OK. Also make sure you have version 5.6 or higher, although it wouldn't work. Now hit back, here in Settings find Screen Mirroring and check Enable Screen Mirroring. That's all. Now you may navigate back home and use whatever device you want to mirror Kodi, as I previously told you. Now I will show you how to mirror your Android device and later how to mirror any Windows laptop. So, for the Android device, go to Settings, Connections, Screen Mirroring. On our devices it could be just Settings, Screen Mirroring. It will automatically search and connect to your Roku, so you better keep your device in landscape mode. Here's a video, the picture is actually very good and the sound too. That's all for Android. Now for Windows, move your mouse in the right bottom corner and raise it up. A menu will appear. Click on Devices, Project, Add a wireless display. It will search for your Roku. I forgot to mention that you should make sure that the devices are on the same network. Wi-Fi or wired, it doesn't import. It should be on the same network, both the Roku and the Android or Windows laptop devices. If you don't see it, you may not be on the same network, or you didn't enable screen mirroring on Roku. That's all. How to install Kodi on Android or Windows, find the links in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, bye.